Okay, so you're thinking about a new carport in Pretoria. Let's get into the 2026 prices.
And of course, the big question on everyone's mind is, what's it gonna cost?
Well, it's not just one simple number. 5 key things really shape the final price.
Okay, first up, the biggest factor by far is size. This really drives the cost.
It just makes sense, right? A double carport means more steel, a bigger foundation, and more labor. So let's talk about a super common request, the 6x6 meter double carport.
That gets you a whopping 36 square meters of cover. That's a ton of space.
It's perfect for 2 regular cars or even one of those big double cab backies.
But that extra width needs a beefier steel frame, and that adds to the cost.
Next, let's look up. Your roofing choice is a huge deal for price and protection. So you're choosing between full protection with steel or the more affordable shade cloth option.
And let's be real, a Pretoria thunderstorm is no joke. That's why many go for steel.
All right, factor 3 is the design. How it looks definitely impacts the price.
We get asked a lot about cantilever designs. You know, the ones with just 2 poles.
Yep, they are a bit more, but you're paying for that awesome wide-open, post-free space. Now this is a big one. The condition of your property itself plays a huge role. Any of these can mean extra prep work, which, you guessed it, adds to the cost. And last but not least, where you are in Pretoria matters for delivery and logistics.
Okay, let's pull all that together. Here's a quick checklist to help you budget.
Use this to figure out what makes the most sense for your home and your budget.
And this is why an online guess is never enough. You really need a proper site quote.
So now you know what to ask. What's the right carport investment for your property?